Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're talking Sunpass, which is the prepaid toll program here in the state of Florida. And all we're going to do in this video is show you the difference between the portable transponder and the mini transponder. There are definite pros and cons to each. Let's take a look. The second option is a Sunpass Portable, which is right here, and the cool benefits of this is it can be used in several vehicles. So for example, one day you drive to work, you drive your truck, and the following day you drive your car. You can take the Sunpass out of the truck, put it in the car, and that is a really cool benefit of the portable. Now it's as easy as buy, activate, and drive. And let's talk more about the two options. On the left side, Sunpass Portable sticks to inside windshield with suction cups, can be moved from car to car, which I just mentioned, works on motorcycles, that's cool, and Sunpass Plus parking. Now the Sunpass Mini must be permanently adhered to the inside of window, basically a sticker type. Will not work if removed from windshield. So unlike the portable, you cannot take this out. Not for motorcycles. Well, the portable works for motorcycles. The Sunpass Mini does not. However, Sunpass Plus parking as well. Now as far as price, there is a small price difference. The Sunpass Mini is only $5 and the portable Sunpass is upwards of $20 to $25, and that is a one-time initial startup fee. At this point, we now know the differences between the Sunpass Mini and the portable and the benefits that the portable has on top of the Sunpass Mini. However, the Mini is more affordable. So we've already bought it. That is completing step one. Second step is activate it. We got a couple different options. Visit sunpass.com or we can call 888-toll-FLA. And here is the times that you can call and set that up. And here is a better picture, saves time and money. So for example, if you just keep paying every time you go through the tolls, it's going to cost you more. If you buy the Sunpass, whether it's mini or portable, you are saving money every single time you go through the tolls. And again, with the portable, can be moved from car to car. To your warranty, no, not on the mini. Yes on the portable. Airport parking in select airports, yes and yes. Requires permanent installation, yes. No for the portable, obviously. And can be used with motorcycles, nope, not for the mini. However, yes for the portable, so that's kind of cool. And an additional thing I want to talk about is rental cars. Unlike the Sunpass Mini, portable can be used for rental cars. So if you're renting a vehicle in the Florida area several times throughout the month or a year, you can actually take the portable Sunpass and insert it into a rental car. There is additional information that you have to visit sunpass.com to insert the rental car information to your account. So that's a cool benefit and feature of the portable. Alright YouTubers, we're changing screens. We actually went on the actual sunpass.com website and the transponder types and descriptions. Again, we've covered the items related to the Sunpass Mini as well as the Sunpass Portable. The reason why I went to this website is because in the early stages of the video, I only showed you the Sunpass Mini and I wanted to show you what the actual Sunpass Portable looks like. And it looks like the price is $19.99 for the one-time fee portable. And right there you can see on the bottom portion are suction cups, which again sticks to the inside of windshield, and at the end of the day when you get out of the car you can carry it with you when you travel, and it works on motorcycles, and that is not an option with the Mini. However, as we talked about, the Mini is a more affordable option. However, if you've got multiple vehicles, it is definitely recommended and more beneficial to go with the actual Sunpass Portable. That's it YouTubers, hope the video helped. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Also, at the end of this video, you will see some links that walk you through a full review of the actual Sunpass program. Definitely check those links out. We'll see you at the next video.